Hello and welcome to my friends. Now today's lectures we have discussed the topic acid halides. IUPAC name of acid halides. Acid halides means the compounds which contains like such a types of functional group which is present is called as the acid halides, or this is and this group which is called as the acyl group, and therefore this acyl and this X means is a halides like various halogens, chlorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and such a halogens which is attached to this acyl group are named as the acyl halides. Acyl halides are the derivatives of the acids, and therefore various number of the acyl halides can be prepared from these acids. So firstly, we have seen how will you given the IUPAC name for these acid halides which are important in this topic. We have seen that the nomenclatures you have given the various organic compounds. These number of rules are used accordingly. IUPAC, International Pure and Applied Chemistry, and therefore these rules which are common to all the organic compounds, but some of these rules can be different, and these different rules we have mainly mentioned are here. For acid halides, to choose longest chain of alkanes, the lowest priority given to substituents, as well as lowest priority given to functional group. So these are the rules are common, but only difference is that in acid halides we are seeing in acid different examples. OIC word can be used in name the acid, and therefore in acid halides the word in acid like a IC which is replaced by YL, and after replacing this YL we can write the name of the halogens. After you can write the name of halogen. For examples, now we have take this is the examples. So how many carbons are there? This is the 2 carbons, and therefore name is ethane. But this chlorine can replace by OH. So what is the name of this acid? Acid, the name is ethanoic acid, right? Ethanoic acid. Similarly, in this IUPAC name of the acid, only difference is that IC replaced by YL, and therefore this IC is replaced by YL, and then the name of the halogens. For example, this is a chlorine, so meaning a chloride. Yes, ethanoyl chloride. This is the IUPAC name for these molecules. Next examples we have take. We have seen are here. Like this. So what is the name? For example, this bromine can replaced by OH. This is the acid. So how many carbons are there? 1, then 2, and then 3 carbon is there. And therefore name of this acid is 3 carbons. So propianoic acid, right? Propianoic acid. But now we have see the IUPAC name of this acid halides, and hence the IUPAC name given for such molecules like this bromine. So how many carbons? 3 carbons. OIC. So IC replaced by YA. Propianoic. And then we can write the name of this halogen. Which halogen? Bromide. Right? So name is the propianoyl bromide. It is the IUPAC name for these molecules. Similarly, other examples we have seen are here. Right? Okay, this is the 3 examples. Now we have seen it here. To given the IUPAC name for such molecules like this 1, 2, and 3. But 2 position having the one of these substituent are here. So accordingly, the name of IUPAC, the word of these substituents right before the prefix of parent alkanes, and therefore the IUPAC name is given for those molecules are the 2 position having methyl. So 2-methyl, and then write the name of parent alkane. So how many carbons? 3 carbons are there. So propianoic, but it is a acid halides, and therefore IC replaced by YL. So propianoyl bromide. This is a correct name for these molecules 2-methyl propianoyl bromide. Next examples we have given the name as like how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 carbons. And therefore, the correct name for this structure is, what is the name? 5 carbons. So pentanoyl, right? Pentanoyl chloride. This is the name. Next, it is a benzene ring are yes. It is a derivative of benzoic acid, right? Because if this halogen bromine we can replace by OH. So what is the name? Benzoic acid, and hence the name is given as like for those compounds or those structures are benzoic acid, ZOIC, IC replaced by YL. So benzoyl bromide. Benzoyl bromide. This is a IUPAC nomenclature of those molecules. Now we have the other examples like those molecules it having the two groups of these as halides, acyl halides. Next molecules are here like this. Third molecules other. So what is the name for those molecules? Firstly indicate the position. So one and second position both having the acyl group, and therefore name is given like 1, 2. What is carbons? How many carbons? 2 carbons. So ethane, right? Ethanoic acid, OH, Cl replaced by OH, Cl replaced by OH. That's why what is the name? Ethane dioic acid, right? Ethane dioic acid, dioic acid, which can replace by Cl replaced by OH. So what is the name? 1, 2 ethane dioic acid. But we RC is here. This OH replaced by halogens. So various types of halogen we can take like this iodide are here, and therefore the name is given for this structure is 1, 2 ethane dioic IC replaced by YL. So dioil, and name of halogens like iodide, right? So this is a correct name for this structure. The next molecules, how many carbons are there? Only 1 carbon is there. So what is the name of alkane? Is a methane, right? If bromine replaced by OH, so what is the name? Methanoic acid, methanoic, right, acid. But this OH replaced by Br like a halogen. So what is the name? This IC replaced by YL. And what is the name of halogen? It is a bromide. Name is bromide. So what is the name? Correctly, methanoyl bromide. Okay. Next example we have here like this. 1 minute. Number is given like this 1, 2, 3. So which position having the acyl halide group? 1 and 3 positions. So name is given same like to this 1, 3. How many carbons? 3 carbons are there. Therefore propanoid, and then name of halogen is bromide. Name of halogen is bromide. Similarly, other examples we have are here like cyclohexane, right? Cyclohexane. Cyclohexane, if this Cl replaced by OH, so what is the name? Cyclohexane carboxylic acid, right? Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. So cyclohexane carboxylic acid. So name is given for this halides, like acyl halides. Name is cyclohexyl carbonyl. Cyclohexyl carbonyl, and then the name of halides like the chloride. So this is a correct name. Cyclohexyl carbonyl chloride. This is the name for these structures. Similarly, cyclopentane carbonyl. What is the name? Bromide. Cyclopentane carbonyl bromide. Other examples, similarly we have take like this. What is the name? Firstly, we can write how many carbons are there. How many carbons? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 carbons are there. And therefore name is given like this. It is a Br. Those both Br, like a bromide, are replaced by OH. That time what is the name? Pentane dioic acid, right? But it is OH replaced by Br. Then what is the name? Name is pentane dioic. IC replaced by YL, dioil. But it's dibromide. How many bromides? 2 bromides, so dibromide. Sorry, it is here also 2 bromine, so it is a dibromide, right? Next examples, we have Cr here, like this is the other structures. So how will you given the name is a very simple, by using the preferably as a principal functional group is acyl, because those functional groups are derivatives of this, and hence the primarily it is acyl. So numbering is given as like 1, 2, and 3. So names for these structures are the third position having this group, right? This is act as the substituent. So third position they will have acyl group, and hence how many carbons? It is 1 carbons. So group name is the methanoid, right? Methanoid. So write the name for the structures are third positions in bracket. What is this functional group? Methanoid. name of parent alkane is, what is the name? Propianoic acid. Propianoic acid. This is the correct name. Third position having the methanoyl group, and therefore 3-methanoyl propianoic acid. Other examples we have taken like this. What is the name? Firstly, we have given the number 1 and 2. So this is other name. It is also methanoyl. Other name is if this chlorine replaced by OH, then it is a formic group are there. This is a formic group. And therefore, another type, given the name for the structures are chloro. This group name is formyl, so chloroformyl. And this is a acetic acid, chloroformyl acetic acid. This is one of the name. Second type, like this, we can write the name for this structure, like the 2 position having this group, so 2 in bracket methanoyl, 2-methanoyl ethanoic acid, right? 2-methanoyl ethanoic acid. So this is the another form given the name for these structures. Okay, thank you.